we're going to outline the procedure for how to navigate two accommodations: the reasonable modification of course attendance policy and the reasonable modification of assignment deadlines. The procedure for both is very similar, so we're going to outline the steps and responsibilities as one. However, if a student is approved for both accommodation, parts of this procedure would have to be done twice. Once for the course attendance policy and once for assignment deadlines. Let's see how it works.
First, the student requests their accommodations using the SDAC online portal. If the student does not follow up about meeting, we encourage professors to reach out to the student. Next, their instructor reads the faculty notification letter in their email. The next step is perhaps the most important one. The student needs to set up a time to discuss these accommodations with their faculty. We have a set of questions that will help guide this conversation to ensure that the student and the faculty come to a mutual understanding regarding what constitutes a reasonable modification. That is, either the number of absences that are allowable or the particulars of the altered assignment deadlines. If either the student or faculty member has questions or concerns, SDAC is always available to help facilitate this conversation. Finally, the student fills out the agreement with their instructor through the SDAC online portal. This documents the outcome of the conversation and can be referenced later by the student, instructor, and SDAC. Please note that there are separate agreements that need to be completed for reasonable modification of a course attendance policy and reasonable modification of assignment deadlines. So, if a student has been approved for and wishes to use both of these accommodations, they'll need to fill out two separate agreements for each class.
We know this takes some time out of your busy schedules, but this procedure is an important part of ensuring that everyone is on the same page and avoiding confusion or frustration down the road. Of course, please don't hesitate to reach out to us if you have any questions or would like additional guidance about this process. We're always happy to help.